Amable Sale Method strengthen your supply chain. Amable Sale Method strengthen your supply chain. Why is that? Back in the day, people were able to achieve sale on their own. They knew the process instantly without too much trouble. That's why we have so much large company, and even in South Korea, we have Shebo, one family controlling 80% of the GDP of South Korea. Obviously, they know how to flog their Samsung TV to everyone in the world. But even those big business fail at some point one day. We had a very good example, I believe is in 2020, when a huge airline who was there for 130 years and fell because of greedy shareholder. Therefore, they lost clarity and gradually, it wasn't fast, gradually complacency set. And they went in administration and Spoke Direct bought them. That can happen to anyone running a business. Hence why Amable Sale Method, Amable Sale Method, fail-proof method that strengthen your supply chain. Resolving a problem and maintaining your sale for sustainability and growth. If you understood what I just conveyed to you, acquiesce, go through the secret door today. May I add that back in the day, even though people knew how to sell, they were not sharing information too tough. And it's not everybody who was privy to sell training or to gain more customer. Now, with Amable Sale Method, your fail-proof sale method, you can achieve sale recurringly in your business per niche industry and easily share the information that Amable Sale Method communicate to your team and across the board of your organization easily. So everyone has access to it, dishing out the whole method and introducing the new. Sharing information is powerful and your business remain organized, gain clarity and recurring growth. Trisha Amable, CEO of Girl Friday.